In this video, I will show you step by step how you can create a paid Telegram group or channel. Now what we want to do is head over to our Telegram, and then once we head over to Telegram, start by clicking on the little pencil icon in the bottom right hand corner. This will then bring you over to this page, and now you want to select new channel. Once we do this, you can then enter in a channel name, so I will just put in tutorial, click on the tick in the top right hand corner, and then that will bring you to here where we now need to select private channel. Now this is very important because if you leave it public, you won't be able to create a paid channel because people will just be able to join. So make sure you do a private channel right here, and then click on the tick icon in the top right hand corner. From here, what you want to do is you can add people if you want to do that. If not, you can then just click on the little arrow in the bottom right. Once you do that, as you can see, my channel or group has now been created, and then the next step will be to go back. From here, go to the search icon in the top right hand corner, and now you want to search for invite member. Once we search for invite member, click on the middle one with the yellow little emblem. That will then bring you to this page where you can now click on start or restart in my case. And what this will do is it will bring this up right here. If you don't have any projects, you will need to create a new project, and then once you have done that, you will then be able to select one. So in this case, what I'm going to do is simply click on add project, and from here I can now enter in a project name. So I will just put in tutorial 2 for example, click on the send icon, and then from here we want to select paid Telegram channel or paid Telegram group if you've created a group. As you can see, it's now telling you to create a private channel, and we've already done that, so we can now select done. Once we select done, we now need to head over to our private channel and add invite member as a private admin. So we need to head back over now, go to our private channel, click on our username at the top of the page and click on administrators. From here, click on add admin, and now we want to search for invite member. Once we click on invite member, select the tick icon in the top right hand corner. And then once you have done that, as you can see, invite member is now an admin. What we can do then is head back over to our invite member chat, click on done. So the next step will be to forward a message on to invite member from our private channel. So if we head back over to our private channel, put in anything you like. So I'll just put in hello for example. Click on the little share icon right at the side of our message, and then forward this to invite member. Once you do that, click on the send icon, and then we would now need to head back over to invite member. As you can see, you can now choose a currency, so we've got United States dollar, we've got euro, we've got Bitcoin. You can select more and look at all of the other currencies that we do have available on Telegram. So what we can do now is just simply select one of these. I will just select US dollar in this example, and then if we go down, how often would you like your members to pay? Now you can do every month, every year. If you click on more, there is more options down here. I will just click on every month. So how much would you like them to pay? In this example right here, what we can do is just choose any amount that we want our members to pay a monthly subscription, for example. So I can put something like 20. Once we do that, we can now head over to Botfather, click on restart or start in your case. Once you get this menu right here, we want to select /new bot. Once we do this, or write a new bot, how are we going to call it? So you could choose a name for your bot. In this example, I will just put in tutorial, and then now you will need to choose a username for your bot. So I will just put in tutorial bot. As you can see, I've now got a username. What you need to do now is go ahead and select and copy the HTTP API code right there. Once you've done that, we can then head back over to our invite member and just paste it into our chat. So once you've done that, as you can see, you will then get this link right here. And then once you send out this link, people will then be able to sign up to your new paid Telegram channel. So it's just that simple to create a paid Telegram channel, guys. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please don't forget to leave a like. Any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments. And without further ado, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one.